So last month we embarked on some free training on how to create a bass guitar in SolidWorks, start to finish, by taking photographs and adding those photographs to your SolidWorks project and then using those photographs to create a 3D model. And if you'd like to catch up on some of those past episodes, you can just head on over to tootalltoby.com/calendar and then pick one of these previous episodes, SW Training Bass Guitar, let's say part 5, for example. That'll give you a link directly to the recording of the live stream so you can get all caught up. And if you want to join us live, well, starting next week, we're going to continue with this free training, SW Training Bass Guitar Part 6, Part 7, Part 8. You can just click on one of those links. If you go down to the bottom, you'll see that there's an inclusion of an add to calendar function. So you can add it to your calendar of choice and just have that live stream link waiting right there for you when the time comes. So very excited to continue live streaming next week. I hope that you will join us. I hope that you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to create this bass guitar. We're doing this whole thing live. We're doing the whole thing start to finish. So it really is free training for anybody out there who has ever wondered, how do I create a guitar in SolidWorks?